Hey, what's up, Pundi X holders? So this is an emergency update for all Pundi X holder, my brother, because Pundi X after a very long time starting moving upward. So I think therefore the very exciting moment, because you can see from previous completely last 7 days they completely fails down, and this all month they fails down very fastly. And the price, if you can see here, come to $2 my brother, come to $2. So very terrible condition, my friend, in the Pundi X, because the price come to I think $9 to $2. So it's a very bad fail, my friend, especially for a long time investor. This is going to be very bad. So let's see, my friends, today we talk about completely about the Pundi X with details. So kindly you subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for latest this type more informative videos. Okay, let's see, my brother. First of all, the latest update to what's going on in the current time. You can see, my brother, in the last 1 hour, in the last 24 hours, they completely starting moving upward, but definitely this time you can see here in the last 1 hour change occur again now in negative. So it's a very bad. You can see here after a good time, my friends. You can see here they come to bad time. You can see here they completely fails down, and minus 0.88% they fails down. The price is fails down. $2.17 is the latest price, and if you can see here this time the price is the $2.15. So it's the current price. You can see my friend. All right, let's check out last 24-hour chart to what's going on in the last 24 hour and what's the future, my friend. Can there is a chance to Pundi X is starting moving upward in upcoming or not? So absolutely, I tell you, my brother, if you can see here the last 24-hour chart is on the screen, and this time you can see here plus 2.36% they moving upward in the last 24 hour. If you can see, my friends, this jump as one of the point, my friend. You can see this time one of the biggest jump, my friend, especially from last 24 hours, not just unique last 24 hours, especially from this week, my friends. This is the biggest jump. You can see here they completely you can see the resistance line, they completely hit from this point. You can see, my brother, and if they hit the resistance line, so it's mean to they are and they completely they are in the profit. So the price come to $2.41 very fastly. The price is also increased now, but after that you can see, my friend, this jump they completely falls down after that, especially from last 2 hour and 4 hour, my friend. They falls down very fastly. So don't see this short fail, my friend. I hope in upcoming time absolutely they take a very good jump. Absolutely all cryptocurrencies after a fails they take a very good jump. So it's mean, my friends, to I hope in upcoming time they are also moving upward and they take a very good jump now. So kindly hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. I hope, my brother, the good time is coming soon and the Pundi X is gonna be viral. Thanks for watching, all holder. Kindly subscribe this channel for latest update. ABS Tech channel, one of the unique YouTube channel. They will guide you, they will give you updates. Allah Hafiz, take care, please like video.